Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and this is a Suzuki GSX8S. Absolute belter, parallel twin engine. This one's got the Lextek exhaust on there. As standard, they come with a quickshifter, auto blipper, full colour TFT display. You can adjust the actual modes themselves and the traction control. You got your gear indicator on there. Facts and figures wise, it's a 2023 plate, 1,747 miles it's done. It's an absolute cracker. LED headlight. You got the tinted screen just over there as well. You got the aftermarket graphics on this. It really does pop. Absolute stunner. Pro taper bars on there and also grips. Yeah, really nice is this. And as you've already heard, sounds pretty sweet. Anyway, guys, you've seen the bike. In order to get it purchased, dead easy. Pop down at Jordan Bikes, give us a call.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.